How to download free games on Steam. What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. After signing on Steam and after launching it, you should go here to the search bar, search the store. Right now, for example, I'm looking for a war games. So I'm looking for a free war games. What I have to do, I will just search for war like this and click search. Right now it's going to show me some paid games like God of War, World War Z, and also some free games. So what I have to do right now, I will just go to sort by and I will click lowest price, and right now they will show me only the list of the free war game that I can play without paid nothing. And that's all guys, just click on it like this for example, and you should go and click play game, and you have to click install, and that's all guys. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.